In this video, you'll learn how to add and remove home screen widgets on your Google Pixel 9. By following these steps, you will customize your home screen to better suit your needs and preferences. Begin by accessing the widget menu. Press and hold on an empty space on your Pixel 9 home screen. After a moment, a menu will appear featuring options such as wallpapers and widgets. Tap on widgets to view all the available widget options. This action allows you to explore various widgets that can enhance your home screen. Next, you will add a widget to your home screen. Browse through the list of widgets until you find the one you wish to use. Tap and hold the selected widget, then drag it onto the home screen. Position it in your preferred location and release it to place it there. Keep in mind that some widgets may require additional setup once they are placed. If necessary, you can adjust the widget size by dragging its edges, ensuring it fits well within your layout. To remove a widget from your home screen, press and hold the widget until options appear. You will see a remove option at the top of the screen. Drag the widget toward this remove option. Once you are over it, release the widget to delete it from your home screen. It is important to note that this action does not uninstall the app associated with the widget, allowing you to add it back later if desired. After removing the widget, your home screen will be updated immediately to reflect the change. This simple process enables you to maintain a tidy and organized interface, ensuring only the most relevant information is displayed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.